In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see people you unfollowed on LinkedIn. If you've ever changed your LinkedIn feed settings and later wanted to check which people you chose to unfollow, LinkedIn makes that possible through your account settings. This can be helpful if you want to reconnect with updates from certain people, review your feed preferences, or simply keep your account a little more organized. To begin, log into your LinkedIn account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see the Me menu. Click on Me to open the account drop-down. This is where LinkedIn groups together your profile access, account options, and privacy-related settings, so it's the right place to start for anything tied to your personal preferences. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're on that page, you'll find a variety of sections related to your account, visibility, sign-in details, and feed behavior. Since the list of people you've unfollowed is connected to how your account displays content, you'll want to head into the Account Settings area rather than your profile page. Next, go to Account Preferences. This section contains general controls for how your LinkedIn account works, along with several options that affect your everyday experience on the platform. Under the General Preferences section, look for the option labeled People You Unfollowed. Click on that option to open the list. Once you're there, LinkedIn will show you the people whose posts and updates you previously chose not to see in your feed. This doesn't mean you disconnected from them. In most cases, unfollowing simply stops their content from appearing in your feed while keeping the connection itself intact. That's useful when you want to reduce clutter without removing someone from your network. As you review this list, take your time and make sure you recognize the accounts shown there. If your goal is only to view the people you unfollowed, then you've already completed the process. If you're checking because your feed feels too quiet or you think you may have hidden updates by mistake, this page is a good place to review those choices. A quick tip: LinkedIn updates its layout from time to time, so if the wording or placement looks slightly different on your screen, the setting is usually still located within Settings and Privacy under Account-Related Preferences, and that's how to see people you unfollowed on LinkedIn.